Good afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Northampton location, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2018 Mercedes-Benz E300. This E300 is showing just over 37,000 miles. If you would like to see a high-resolution, detailed photo set, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There, of course, you will also find a free included CarFax report, alongside a long list of technical data related to this vehicle's remaining tire life, the current brake condition, as well as individual readings from each panel using our paint depth gauge. But today I'll give you a quick condition overview on both the interior and exterior, as well as showing you some of its more interesting features. Making our way down the driver's side of the vehicle, you'll find that metallic gray paint to be in really stunning condition, very glossy and showing very few imperfections. Contrasts very well with these beautiful AMG split 5-spoke 19-inch wheels. They look beautiful and complement the styling of the vehicle so well, especially all of the chrome and brushed metal surrounds here on the door handles and the windows there. See, the front wheel also is in great shape. Looking here at the front fascia, you'll find that classic Mercedes-Benz emblem right in the middle of the grille. Really looks great. All the chrome is shining bright. See, the headlight lenses are crystal clear, really nice shape. You'll find those beautiful LED running lights draping down through the headlight. Really gives it a unique look when the vehicle's running, and we'll see that pretty soon here. Got another beautiful headlight. Taking a look at the front passenger side wheel, you'll find it consistent with the driver's side. Very nice condition on those wheels, and the black Mercedes-Benz emblems to match the emblem there on the hood. You can see the paint condition on the passenger side is also looking really nice. Looking at the rear here, you'll find all of the chrome trim shines beautifully and matches all of the badging to be found on the trunk. You have the nice dual exhaust just there with the chrome trim just above that subtle diffuser underneath. You can see in those taillights a really nice kind of crystal structure there on the bottom of the lens. Just adds a little bit of flair to the taillight and a nice luxurious detail to notice as you make your way around the vehicle. So next up, I'm going to make my way into the interior, and then we're going to fire it up and I'll let you hear the engine running. So I'll be right back. Making our way to the interior past these beautiful Burmeister audio speakers just there, you'll find the seat to be in excellent condition. The bolster looks absolutely perfect despite being a somewhat aggressive bolster. It hasn't seen any wear as of yet. You can see the seat bottom looks beautiful as well, and the passenger seat is just perfect. So make my way inside. See the gauge cluster just there showing the mileage and a bunch of other information as the vehicle gets running. Really nice screen integrated into the dash just there. And this beautiful gray wood trim is all in just perfect condition, draping all the way from the passenger door back to the driver's door. It's complemented beautifully by all these brushed metal looking trim pieces underneath and through all your switchgear. Then of course those stunning Burmeister audio speakers. So we're going to fire it up using this beautiful start button just here. So of course, one touch of the button with the key in my pocket, fires right up. You see the Mercedes-Benz script just there. See the gauge cluster's fired up now, just the seatbelt light. If there's any flickering in the video, that's just an illusion based on the camera technology. In person, this just looks phenomenal. You can see all of your switchgear through the center just looks perfect. No wear through the buttons, and your control center just here, really glossy, no major imperfections with it. See, all of the controls look great. There's your touchpad in the center there. You can open up this wooden panel to reveal some cup holders and a wireless charger, as well as a USB outlet. And of course, you have that nice big sunroof up above. You can free a hand. There we go. You can see, lets in a lot of natural light. Really gives you an open air feel in the cabin. So next up, now that the engine's running, I'm going to take you up under the hood and we'll take a look at that. So I'll be right back. So making our way under the hood, you're going to find the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine idling very happily. Let you hear it for a moment. No strange noises or imperfections under the hood. It actually looks really nice. The plastics look phenomenal. You can see all of the metal here at the front of the structure look great. You can see all of these lines look great as well. Pretty clean underneath. Of course, this engine's going to get you about 21 miles per gallon city and just under 30 on the highway, so that's a really nice feature to have as well. Of course, we all love saving money at the pumps. Making our way to the rear seating, you'll find the seats just absolutely stunning. Super nice condition. You can see that beautiful stitching work carrying down the seat carrying onto the bolster. Hop inside, sitting behind my 6'4" self where I'd be comfortable. I still have just plenty of leg room. It's not even close. It's a really, really nice place to sit back here. Truly is a luxury sedan. You can see there the same gray wooden trim carries onto these door panels, and of course spared no expense in putting these nice Burmeister audio speakers on the back doors as well. Right here I can give you a nice view of the front cabin area, and of course that nice big sunroof as well. I do have this nice drop down armrest, of course, with a couple cup holders that fold out of the end, nice and easy. So nice feature to have, very nice place to sit for your rear passengers. Next up, I'm going to make my way out to the trunk, pull the mats out, and I'll show you those. I'll be right back. Here at the trunk at the E300, we do have this nice kind of pull-out drawer where you'll find the owner's manual and other information, and you can keep anything under 20 pounds just in this little slide-out tray, so that's a nice bit of extra storage. You have some netting there to keep items separate, and a really nice carpeted trunk. It's in great shape, and of course we have these 4 floor mats, which are in really nice shape as well. Of course, you can lock the vehicle or close the tailgate from this position. I'm just going to close it up. Nice and easy. Take you back up to the front fascia here. I'd like to show you those daytime running lights while they're active. So if you have any further questions related to this Mercedes-Benz E300, please reference the listing at alphacars.com, and there you will find all relevant contact information. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.